Frank's putting in his Rubik's Cube. And
there it goes. Looking at the Rubik's Cube. Using that light so he's using that light to look at it?
I think so.
Why does he move it across that?
I think it's a way for him to see it.
You can only see it while he moves it.
Or maybe he's showing people, I don't know.
Why one moves.
Yeah.
Unlike other ones. It normally takes him a minute to do it.
Yeah.
Just depends on how many moves he has to make. So 10 moves left.
Six, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And he's done. Oh, look at him celebrating.
Just 1 minute.
Yeah.
Exactly the time he normally
Wow.
takes. 1 minute and 1 second.
Very cool.